once again, we are back for week number 9 of Fiber Gifts. Not like you couldn't tell from the numbers, once again. But today we have something very interesting. Ta-da! Beep, 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 beep. Oh, sorry. Here it is. So, what I've got here for you is a beautiful fair trade African market basket. We won't talk about how many of these that I have in my home, but I have many. And all of them are just beautiful. Every time they come in, we all crowd around to see what's going on and how they look and how beautiful they are. So we are going to see these guys on December 13th for our fiber gift. It's going to be 25% off, my bad, for these guys. So that's actually even better. I made the wrong mistake. 25% off for these little guys. They are just wonderful things in general, not only because you can stuff them full of a bunch of stuff, but they also are made in Ghana, Africa, and all of the proceeds from the sales of these little guys go to supporting the local communities that make them, the women and children and men even who tan the leather and all of that stuff, who make these guys. So it's for a good cause, and also they're really beautiful. So what you're going to get out of these as well is a surprise color. So all of them are beautiful. You're not going to get one that you don't like, but we're going to pick one out for you for a fiber gift. So check those out again on the 13th. 25% off is these guys. So check them out.